Lennox Error Code 231 signifies a low ambient lockout condition in your HVAC system, particularly heat pumps and furnaces. This safety feature activates when outdoor temperatures drop below a set threshold, typically around 35 degrees Fahrenheit or 1.7 degrees Celsius. Its purpose is to protect the unit from damage caused by inefficient operation or potential frost buildup on the coils. In essence, it's a protective measure, not necessarily a malfunction. When temperatures plummet, heat pumps struggle to extract heat from the outside air efficiently. This can lead to refrigerant freezing and place excessive strain on the compressor. Similarly, furnaces can experience issues with combustion in extremely cold conditions. The low ambient lockout prevents these problems by temporarily shutting down the system, avoiding potential damage and costly repairs. Several components play a role in triggering Error Code 231. The most important are temperature sensors, the control board, and the refrigeration cycle. Temperature sensors, specifically thermistors, monitor the outdoor air temperature. A faulty sensor is a common cause of Error 231. The control board processes the sensor data and initiates the lockout. Newer models allow for customized temperature thresholds. The refrigeration cycle in heat pumps becomes less efficient at low temperatures, leading to possible coil icing. Before calling a technician, check these things. First, ensure the outdoor unit isn't blocked by snow or debris, as this can impact airflow and trigger a false reading. Next, if you have a smart thermostat or Lennox app like iComfort, check the error logs for more detailed information. Try resetting the system by turning it off for a few minutes, then back on. If the error persists, it's likely a genuine issue requiring professional attention. Now let's examine the most common causes of Lennox Error Code 231 and their solutions. The most frequent cause of Error 231 is a malfunctioning temperature sensor. These thermistors, which monitor outdoor temperatures, can degrade over time due to exposure to elements, become inaccurate from dirt or corrosion, or fail completely. Lennox has even issued recalls for certain models with faulty sensors that contribute to false positives. Another common cause is incorrect calibration of the control board's lockout threshold. The programmable logic that sets the temperature limit for lockout might be misconfigured, particularly in older units or after maintenance work. This can lead to premature lockouts even in moderate cold. In some cases, software glitches in the control system cause false positive lockouts. This is particularly prevalent in older Lennox units without advanced diagnostic tools. Firmware updates released by Lennox can fix these issues, providing better error handling and predictive alerts. These three causes, sensor malfunctions, calibration issues, and software glitches, account for the majority of Lennox Error Code 231 occurrences. Always consult a qualified technician for accurate diagnosis and safe repairs. Prevention is key to avoiding Lennox Error Code 231, the low ambient lockout condition. By implementing regular maintenance practices, you can significantly reduce the chances of this error occurring and ensure your HVAC system operates efficiently throughout the year. Schedule regular HVAC maintenance to ensure your system is operating efficiently. Professional technicians can inspect components, update firmware, and catch potential issues before they trigger lockouts. This includes calibrating temperature sensors, which are critical for detecting ambient conditions accurately. Miscalibrated sensors can cause false lockouts, so regular calibration prevents unnecessary shutdowns. Cleaning coils is another essential maintenance task. Dirty coils reduce heat transfer efficiency, making your system work harder and increasing the risk of lockouts during cold weather. Verifying proper airflow ensures optimal system performance. Blocked vents or dirty filters can restrict airflow, leading to inefficient operation and potential lockout conditions. During extreme cold snaps, consider using auxiliary heat sources like electric resistance heat to supplement your heat pump. This reduces strain on the primary system and helps prevent low ambient lockouts. Upgrading to a smart thermostat with customizable lockout thresholds can also significantly reduce the chances of encountering Error 231. These devices allow you to adjust settings based on your specific climate and usage patterns. HVAC technology is evolving with smarter systems that adapt to changing conditions. Expect to see more AI-driven systems that dynamically adjust lockout parameters based on real-time conditions, providing optimal performance without unnecessary shutdowns. Variable speed compressors and cold climate heat pumps are becoming more prevalent, offering reliable operation even below 0 degrees Fahrenheit and potentially phasing out traditional lockouts altogether. Environmental regulations may also drive the adoption of more efficient refrigerants, improving low-temperature performance and reducing the need for protective lockouts. If you've tried basic troubleshooting steps and the Lennox Error Code 231 persists, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician. Attempting to fix complex issues yourself can potentially void your warranty or cause further damage. A professional can accurately diagnose the problem, replace faulty components, and ensure your system is running safely and efficiently. Remember to ask about firmware updates and potential upgrades to prevent future lockouts.